Hello and welcome back to Tech Tuesday. My name is Holden Walter, and today I will dive into something truly unique that we do here at VarTech. Behind me, you can see the manufacturing equipment we use to create our enclosures. We have CNCs, a press brake, a laser cutter, a water jet cutter, and back in the corner are welding, buffing, and finishing shops. In future episodes, we will dive deeper on how all of this is utilized to create our custom enclosures. These technologies and techniques form a chain of production, fully fabricating custom enclosures for all of our systems. Our products are available in stainless steel and aluminum. We also offer a vast variety of colors and powder coat. Whatever your needs may be, we will shape and assemble it right here, customizing anything to accommodate those specifications. Do you need I/O connectors on the front, the back, the side? Does it have a special configuration, color, shape, or connector? We do it all right here. If you'd like to learn more about our capabilities and offerings, please visit our website or reach out to us directly by phone or email. Links and other support will be posted down below. Until next time, have a great rest of your week.